How you doing, man?
Good. Good. Oh, we're going up.
Yeah, that's it.
I don't even know where we're going right now.
The thing is, we just have to go.
Hey, it's you.
Well, and
It's you.
should I race him?
Yeah. You're a little easy.
Yeah, the Pirate Blacks, you know, gotta have them. I paid $2,000 retail.
Yeah?
Resale, not
that thing?
Yeah, $2,000, dude.
What a hookup, bro.
That's what these go for.
What a hookup. All right, what are we doing today? Don't tell them. Don't give it away. Okay.
We're doing stuff.
No. There's a lot of stuff in the back seat because of a very important and specific reason. And today is a very special day. Dude, I'm so nervous. I can't not. I feel like I got kicked in the chest and in the stomach. I feel like I'm gonna pee and poop my pants.
It's gonna be tight though.
I'm gonna go back like 10 years because that's what brings me to today. 10 years ago is when I got my first bike. And what was I, 18, 19 years old. Had no idea what I was doing. And I got this little like Honda Rebel. It was like a 250. And ever since that bike, I just like completely fell in love and I started just buying and selling bikes. And I got, my next bike was this like 82 CB 750. And then the next bike was a CBR 600. And then I got a CBR 1000. And then I got a Gixxer 6. And then I stopped. I stopped riding for like 5 years back in 2013. And today...
Today's a day.
Today, I'm getting a new bike. We're gonna go down to this spot at the Arizona Science Center. Can you drive a little bit better, dude?
Dude, it's a lowered car. I gotta watch out for stuff. I mean, you know what? We'll
just air it up a little bit.
Yeah, we're gonna go max air.
These fucking stance boys, bro. It's crazy.
Okay,
swerving like all over the road. Like, no, actually, I really respect it. I understand. I would do the same fucking thing. Yeah, we're gonna go down to the Science Center. We're gonna get some rolling shots before that, hopefully, and then the Science Center is this really cool, like modern concrete type of place. So just roll it up, hopefully no one kicks us out, and then we'll get some super sick cinematics, and it's gonna be dope. Dope.
So dope.
I think that's about it. So yeah, we gotta get this GoPro, get the fucking bike, and then go get some dope shots of the bike.
It's fucking beautiful.
Also, I wasn't really sure what I wanted to do about moto vlogging. I've been watching a bunch of them lately, and I'm pretty sure I like have a decent idea of what I want to do, but I'm pretty sure that like this whole channel is going to turn into a little bit of moto vlogging, a little bit of like tutorial stuff with like cinematic shooting. I haven't found anyone out of all of the moto vloggers, and there's so many of them. I haven't really found anyone that was like a photographer, videographer, and a writer. So I hope that this channel will bring like a lot of just really quality content, and I'm pretty fucking stoked about it.
Yeah, I'm stoked to see what you do with it.
And we got the drone. I have all the things, dude.
Everything.
We have all of the fucking goodies that people can just lust over.
Yep.
It's like, how could you possibly fuck that up?
We're not gonna miss a single.
Drop a little check, everybody lit. Drop a little check, everybody rich. Drop a little check, everybody slide. Drop a little check, everybody die.
We gotta find like a halfway point, bro.
It's at my house.
Your house?
Yeah, I'm gonna. You're probably gonna beat me, but that'd be like the best place.
That's fine. I'm down to beat you. We can maybe even go grab some food really quick.
Okay, yeah, that would be. I'll send you my address right now.
Okay. All right. Dope.
Alright.
All right. Just fucking put the GoPro on. Mounted it, all whatnot, on this Icon AirFlite helmet. Looks pretty solid to me. There's almost no wiggle whatsoever. This is chill. I mean, that should be fine, right?
Yeah, no, because I mean, it'll give you like...
With the wind?
Yeah.
It's not gonna, the wind won't do anything,
No,
dude.
no, you're good.
All right, well, now that that's set up, now we're headed to go get this Bikezilla. And we're kind of racing against the sun right now, but that's okay. We're gonna make it work.
Undercover behind us.
2 miles, 59th Ave, 2 miles! Oh, I'm so nervous. Oh my God, it's in the garage. All right, we're gonna go fucking say what up really quick. Shoot the shit. Let me see what the fuck happens. Wait, I'm locked out. How do I? I'm locked out. All right, it's right in front of me. Oh God. All right, you guys ready? Here we have 2008 Honda CBR 1000 little liter bike. I actually had the same exact bike back in 2013, and since then I have given up, but I'm fucking back.
I'm back, baby!
Got a little blemish on that seat, but that can be replaced easily. Take this thing out. Are you ready? We good? Alright, so we had a few complications, and it's like definitely sunset. We didn't fucking get things done like we had hoped. First time riding on the second time, I guess.
Just like a golfer. We riding foreigns, ain't no more imposters. Ain't had no newborn, but I got baby bottles. Shopping at Barney, I drip like a mom. Watch how I drip when I hit that Met Gala. Codeine, I sit with my load, don't get splattered. Doctor told me I got lean in my bladder. Run through this cash like family don't matter. I got your back, feel the same pain together. Pop out the tag, my pawn ain't just swell. Baby blue jet, make my mom feel better. Fuck the slow bunny at my show at Coachella. VVS banding partners in my belly. Too fast, it can slime me as up. Life is too grimy, I watch for the devil. It's a road rush and it come with umbrellas. 2018 in that precious Corolla. Go your pouch. Racks in a quarter ounce. 2 accounts. Large amount. Yeah. Shop around. Designer down. Dribble drown. Dribble drown. Yeah.
Thanks, bro. Oh my gosh.
I know we're having issues, but how do you feel?
I just wish, like, I don't know, I had this like expectation that like it was gonna be like this beautiful, because it was such a nice day today.
It was a beautiful day.
And like, it's not like I've never ridden a bike before.
Yeah.
So like my expectation was that it was gonna be this like really nice sunny 65-degree weather ride, and just shit kind of went south and took too long, and the dude didn't have like the title prepped, so we had to like go to the bank, and then it was like a night ride. And that's cool, you know what I mean? But like the footage, like I just want, like I don't know. We're gonna have to do it tomorrow. Like,
yeah,
I love
we'll
it.
We'll make it up.
I'm not saying I didn't love it. I love riding. I missed it. I feel really fucking good on this bike, and it's amazing. But yeah, I goofed and I set expectations. So here we are. This is real life, you know what I mean? burp. But I've already burped like 5 times. Okay, we just finished In-N-Out. In-N-Out, thank you so much for giving us free food. I wish I could just say.
In-N-Out, sponsor us.
Dude, I swear, I've probably given like $10,000 of my own money to eat like just In-N-Out burgers. Oh, I just want to ride it in the daytime, dude. I just want to ride it tomorrow morning. I want to just be like, okay, oh my freaking gosh. So, it's tomorrow. Just got done at Guitar Center. Yesterday didn't go as planned at all. I realized that we didn't, like, I had the lav mic from Tyler, but we didn't have anything to record it on. It doesn't connect to your phone because it's like stereo to whatever. Just, it doesn't connect even if you have the dongle. It's ridiculous. So I had to get the adapter for the GoPro, that like 3.5 adapter that connects to the lav mic that's inside the helmet now. So it was like a whole ordeal. We didn't get to do any of the rolling shots. It was too dark. His mount like also broke, which really sucked. So we got to get that figured out. But now that I got the audio set up, I hope it sounds pretty good. I haven't tested it. It's like the first time. Yeah, now that we got this set up, there's not much else to it. First thoughts on the bike. Dude, this thing's crazy fast. I had the same year 08 CBR 1000 back in like 2012. Dude, I don't think mine was even this fast. Like, this one has a power commander and like, I don't know, I feel like the power is just constantly there. And I know it was with mine, but this one's just like way more crazy, I feel like. Like, sometimes it's been like catching me off guard because the throttle's so touchy. But it's sick, like, I love it. It feels great, feels like I remember. The clutch, I had to adjust the clutch last night because it was so weak. I like a really tight clutch. And, God, I wish this was LA and I could just split these lanes right now. Yeah, I don't know, it feels really good. My fucking hand is so sore though, because I haven't ridden in so long that I'm like a little fucking pussy about it. And it like hurts to fucking it hurts to actually use the clutch at this point. Like, that hurts. Such a bitch. This fucking sucks, dude. The Renaissance at Vista del Oro. Alright, Tyler. Just living the fancy life. Hi, Tyler! God, this fucking creepo's just like watching me from his fucking window. Your car looks cute, bud. Lover boys. Lover boys in foreign all day. Reppy. Boop. Gang. Alright. See you there. Right to our right now is the oh so beautiful Arizona Science Center, and that's where we're going. It's just like a cool modern looking building, like once you get in it. And oops, my bad. And it's just like all concrete, and it'll be like I just didn't want to bring my bike to the desert. Like, we live in the freaking desert. I don't want to bring my bike to the desert and just do like a typical fucking desert Arizona shoot. I want to do something a little different. So that's what we're gonna fucking do. Hopefully there's not like people there. I just realized it's fucking Saturday. This might be like the worst choice ever. We'll find out though. Ooh, what are they doing? That's nice. Are you leaving? Park there. To figure out how to get the bike up there. I don't know. I don't even know if I'm really allowed to do it. Need to find a way to get... Oh, it feels so much better without the backpack. Tyler took the backpack for me. Thanks, Tyler. Appreciate you. Just gotta find out how the fuck I'm gonna be able to get up onto the Science Center, like, little area. Damn, dude, you could go. I wonder if I should just, like, go up right here. There's no one looking. I'm just gonna fucking go for it. Don't. Parkour. Oh, that'll work. A lot easier than I thought. Don't mind me, guys. Is that a Honda? Yeah. CBR? Yeah. What year? Oh, wait. Okay. 906. Oh, weird. Is it 1,000? Yeah. Nice. It's clean, man. Thanks, bro. Alright, we just got to the Science Center, finally. And honestly, we're just trying to figure out where to put the bike right now. I don't know. Tyler's got, I'll go through his gear really quick. He's got the Movi. He's got the A7S2?
Yes, A7S2. This is an Edgefly monitor. It shoots in a higher codec, basically ProRes 422, ProRes HQ, and it's 10-bit opposed to, I think it's 8-bit for our camera shoots, so.
And you can like record directly into it, right?
Yeah, I can, so everything records directly to this SSD right here. It's actually not being used, so. And then all you have to do is you get another caddy, plug this in your computer, and there you go.
Should we just go straight into like this cinematic B-roll segment, dude? Okay, B-roll segment commence now.
E-gang, Ezzy gang to the death, got your girl here, push her to the left. 5 in the show, then there's nothing left. Check the venue, from there's nothing dead. Young nigga came out the bando, a nigga moves swift. Chatting to you, then you didn't understand though. Look at all these fans roll. So far ahead, but you know these man blow like man's already blown. Hey, hold your breath, I don't make friends, it's so dead, putting man's on. Hold on, wait, Billy. It's been time since I read up. Cut us, man, be up. A nigga go red when they see us. A young nigga came out the bando, a nigga moves swift. I skirt with my bitch, I'm on 6. Skirt with my bitch, I'm on this. Like follow the leader. Can't fuck with me or ain't either. Making that, but no one ain't see us. But no one ain't see us.
Alright, man, we just finished up with that little shoot. Tyler, thank you so much, man. Appreciate it. Guys, that's the fucking vlog. Moto vlog, whatever the fuck you want to call this thing. Appreciate you for watching all the way through. If you guys like this shit, please subscribe. Turn the notifications on. Appreciate you, man. See you on the next one.